Welcome friend to my YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner with a new interesting question. And today's question is related about the percentage, and question we are having that is: a dishonest shopkeeper uses false balance and cheats a customer by giving 20% less quantity of food. His profit is. So here in the question, the first thing which you have to understand the question carefully. So here 20% less worth of food was given to the customer, which was being deceived by the shopkeeper. So here in the question, now you have to understand, we take that he sells 80 rupees worth for rupees 100. So this means that the food was originally given to him was of rupees 8, but the shopkeeper has deceived him and took rupees 100 from him, meaning 20% less worth was given to the customer. And now we take the difference. So what was his difference? So the difference is, so further here we solve out this question in shortcut method or in another method. So this is, let's suppose, shortcut method. So this is shortcut method, and here we take the difference. So what is the difference? The difference we are having, that is different is from 100 minus 80, that is 20. So this is the difference between the original price and the price taken by the shopkeeper. And the original, we are having the actual price was how much? Original price was rupees 80. So this is the original price of the food which he gave to the customer. And now how much is his percentage? So the profit we have, that is, so the formula of profit is equal to the difference divided by the cost price or the original price. Original price multiplied by 100. So this is the formula for the profit. And now we take that is that we have already found out the difference, and the difference was how much? The difference is 20% you can say, or 20. So this is 20 divided by the original price. The original price, that is 80 multiplied by 100. And here 0 0 we cancel out, 2 ones are and 2 fours are. 4 ones are 4, 25 are. So here we have got, that is 25%, and this is our answer here. And in the shortcut method, we take the price that was 20, we take P, and the formula, the simplest formula, that is P divided by 100 minus, so this represent the less amount, minus by P, multiply it by 100. So P we are having, that is how much? 20% less. So 20 divided by 100 minus 20. So this 20 is the value of P we have just taken, and this minus represent the less sign, multiply it by 100. So this is the same thing which we have now found it here. And after this becomes, that is 20 divided by 80 multiplied by 100, and after the simplification we will get here the answer, that is also 25%. So this is the same thing which we have found out here. and this is our answer. I hope you have completely understood. So thank you very much.